The Curious Cat and the Clever Crow. Once upon a time, in a quiet little village, there lived a curious cat named Whiskers and a clever crow named Caw. Whiskers was known for exploring every nook and cranny, always seeking new adventures. On the other hand, Caw was admired for his intelligence and quick thinking. One sunny day, as Whiskers strolled through the village, he noticed a peculiar object near the old oak tree. It was a shiny golden key. Unable to resist his curious nature, Whiskers decided to find out what the key unlocked. He meowed excitedly, "I wonder what mysteries await." Curiosity spread among the village animals, and soon, they gathered around Whiskers. Caw, perched on a branch, observed the commotion and flew down to join them. "What's the fuss about?" asked Caw, his eyes gleaming with curiosity. Whiskers proudly displayed the golden key, explaining, "I found this mysterious key, and I'm determined to discover what it opens." Caw, with a twinkle in his eye, suggested, "Instead of wandering aimlessly, let's use our combined strengths. I'll fly above and guide you, while you explore on the ground." Agreeing to the plan, Whiskers and Caw set out on their adventure. The key led them through thick forests, across babbling brooks, and over rolling hills. Along the way, they encountered challenges that required both Whiskers' curiosity and Caw's clever solutions. As they approached the end of their journey, the key unlocked a dusty old chest hidden in a secluded cave. Inside, they discovered not gold or jewels but a simple message: the real treasure is the journey itself. The animals pondered the meaning of the message. Whiskers realized that his insatiable curiosity had led him to incredible experiences, and Caw acknowledged that cleverness was most valuable when shared. The village animals, inspired by Whiskers and Caw's adventure, learned that the true treasures in life are the lessons learned, the friendships made, and the joy of the journey. And so, the curious cat and clever crow became beloved mentors, guiding others to embrace the beauty of curiosity and cleverness in their own lives. Morale: the journey is the real treasure, and the combination of curiosity and cleverness leads to the most meaningful adventures.